Okay, let's just dive right in. You walk down any beauty aisle, right? And it's everywhere. Vitamin C. It is the absolute superstar ingredient in like a million different serums, creams, and masks. And they all promise the same thing: brighter, firmer, more glowing skin. It is a massive, multi-million-dollar industry, all built on one single idea. To fix your skin, you've got to put something on it. But what if the biggest breakthrough isn't in a bottle at all?
And that's the question that really gets to the heart of what we're talking about today. We're going to look at some pretty amazing new research that suggests the most powerful skincare tool you have might actually be sitting in your fruit bowl, not in your bathroom counter. And there it is, the big reveal right up front. A recent study from the University of Otago has basically flipped the script on everything we thought we knew. It found that the most effective, most powerful way to deliver vitamin C to your skin isn't by rubbing it on the surface, but by eating it. Yeah, we're talking about a total inside-out job.
Now, the lead scientist on this, Professor Marguerite Vissers, she used a word that you really have to pay attention to: compelling. See, scientists are usually super careful with their language, so when they say something is compelling, it means the evidence is just incredibly strong. This isn't just some small observation, it's a really big, measurable connection.
So how in the world does this work? I mean, why would eating a kiwi be more powerful than some fancy, high-tech serum that costs $100? Well, in this next part, we're going to trace the incredible journey of vitamin C, all the way from your plate to your skin cells. Okay, so here's the fundamental problem with creams. Think of your skin's outer layer like a nightclub bouncer. Its main job is to keep stuff out, and it's really, really good at its job. So when you put a cream on, only a tiny, tiny fraction of that vitamin C might actually get past the velvet rope. But when you eat it, the vitamin C gets absorbed into your bloodstream, which is like an all-access VIP delivery service, taking it directly to every single layer of your skin from the inside. No bouncer can stop that.
It really is a simple but super powerful four-step process. First, you eat something rich in vitamin C. Step 2, it gets absorbed into your blood. From there, it's chauffeured all around your body, and it turns out your skin is amazing at soaking it up from the inside. And then, the final crucial step, it gets to work, boosting collagen, which is the protein that literally holds your skin together.
All right, so the theories sound solid, right? But what about the proof? I mean, we need to see it in action. That's where this specific experiment comes in, and it's pretty cool. Researchers didn't just guess. They designed a whole study to see if one simple change to someone's diet could create real, measurable results. So the study involved 24 healthy adults. Now that might not sound like a huge number, but for a really tightly controlled experiment like this, it's perfect for making sure the results you see are because of the one thing you're testing.
And they didn't just track them for a few days. We're talking 8 full weeks. 2 months. And that's really important because it shows that big changes in your skin don't just happen overnight. It takes consistency, a sustained effort to see those physical results.
So what was this major, life-altering change they had to make? You ready for this? It was this simple. Every single day, each person had to eat 2 sun-gold kiwi fruit. They were chosen because they are just packed to the gills with vitamin C. No complex diets, no expensive supplements, just 2 kiwis a day, that's it. Now, before we get to the results, we got to do a quick refresh on collagen. You hear that word in every beauty ad, but what is it really? The easiest way to think about it is like the springs in a mattress. It's the protein that gives your skin its bounce, its structure, its firmness. So the bottom line is, more collagen means thicker, stronger, healthier-looking skin. And here's the kicker. Your body absolutely cannot make it without vitamin C. It's a non-negotiable ingredient.
And here we go, the results. And they are pretty stunning. After 8 weeks of just eating 2 kiwis a day, the participants showed a significant, measurable increase in their skin thickness. This is the physical proof of more collagen being made. They also saw that their outer skin cells were regenerating faster. So in other words, their skin was literally renewing itself faster than before.
This is all fantastic information, right? But what do we actually do with it? This next part is all about taking this science and turning it into a simple, actionable strategy you can start using, well, today.
So the researchers gave us a clear target to aim for. To get the vitamin C levels in your blood high enough to really feed your skin properly, you want to shoot for about 250 milligrams per day. It's great to have a concrete number like that.
But here is a super crucial detail. Unlike some other vitamins, your body doesn't build up a reserve of vitamin C. It's more of a use it or lose it situation. You use what you need, and your body gets rid of the rest. That means consistency is everything. You can't just down a ton of orange juice on Sunday and expect it to last all week. This has to be a daily thing.
So how do you hit that 250 milligram target? Well, the study used those sun gold kiwis, but the researchers are super clear that other foods work great too. For a perfect starting point, think about citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, basically any kind of berry, colorful peppers, yep, bell peppers, and even broccoli. All of them are fantastic sources. The goal is just to make these a regular part of what you eat every day.
So, the big takeaway from all this research is pretty clear, isn't it? While those expensive creams might still have their place, the most profound, scientifically proven strategy for better skin really starts on your plate. It kind of challenges us to think of food not just as fuel, but as the actual building blocks for our body. So the only question left is the one you see right here. Are you ready to feed your face?